Dearly beloved, we're gathered here today in the sight of God and in the presence of these witnesses to join this man and this woman in holy matrimony.
We close our eyes and breathe in slowly. Knew we'd get here from the start. Finding magic in the days and nights as there.
I require and charge you both, as you stand in the presence of God, to remember that love and loyalty alone will avail as the foundation of a happy and enduring home. No other human ties are more tender, no other vows more sacred than those you now assume. If these solemn vows be faithfully kept to God and to each other, your life will be full of joy, and the home which you are establishing will abide in peace.
In the sunlight or underneath the moon, all we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.
I knew that I loved you from the day that I met you. I remember sitting on the end of my bed with you, talking about everything under the sun for hours and hours. I knew that I had to do everything and anything I could to protect you, to hold on to you, and to care for you and make you mine from the day that I met you.
Jacob Ryan, you have consistently shown me the most pure form of love that any human can show. You came into my life and not only taught me how to love, but taught me how to be loved. With you, I know I will never have to do anything on my own.
You're my absolute best friend. I couldn't imagine spending the rest of my life with anyone else. You're absolutely perfect to me in every way. I know that we'll fight. That's guaranteed. We'll argue. And we'll get mad. But guess what? At the end of the day, we'll always come back together and we will be absolutely perfect for one another. We'll love each other and we'll cherish each other.
Your honesty would throw me a line. It took me by surprise, but I don't mind anymore.
I knew you were the one from the very beginning. You have a rare heart that most people do not have. I'm so blessed to be the woman that you are choosing to marry. I promise you that I will love you through everything, absolutely everything. I vow to always be your advocate, your protector, and your confidant. I truly believe that God made you specifically for me. Until my last breath, I will love you with all of myself.
I cannot express how excited I am to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, Allie Marie.
Knowing you for 19 years, I've never, ever seen you this happy. Jacob, like, he had been dating Allie 2 months. He's like, this is the one, man, this is the one. I'm like, dude, all right. I've literally never seen two people more happy than you guys are, and it just brings so much joy to my heart.
I'm letting you in. It's stressing me out, yeah, it's stressing me out. Solow, I don't know where else to go. You know, I try to find you. Solow, I know how it feels to go
I've seen her at her best, but one thing that I know for sure is that as long as she's with Jacob, she's going to stay at her best and will always be her best. Because he won't let her fall, and if she does, he'll be right there to pick her up.
Can't you see that we're dying? I just wanna keep you in my mind. Can't you tell that I'm trying? Solo, I don't know where else to go. You know I'm trying to find you. Solo, I know how it feels to go alone. I'm trying to find a way you feel right next to me.
When I look at love, I look at these two and I think, yeah, I could do that if I have someone like that.